started when sometimes nag-brainstorming kami, di ba? And then she talk about it. Nag-suggest ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, ba't di mo gawin co-op?
Ang salitang kooperatiba, lahat magtutulungan upang umahon sa kahirapan. So, iyon yung isang bagay na nakita kong napakaganda, kaya ipinapaalam namin ito sa tao. Mel and Maan, we met in Rome. They are members of the Pilgrims. I was invited by Brother Boss Sanchez to be the chaplain of the pilgrimage, the Marian Pilgrimage.
For 15 days na nasa Marian Pilgrimage ako, I really pray so hard na sabi ko, I really wanted to serve.
I was just surprised that the cooperative was born out of that deep prayer.
That was April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Pag November na, sabi ko, Lord, parang hindi mo sinagot ang dasal ko. Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Nagulat ako, nagkaroon ng Yolanda.
Na-trigger kami na talagang ituloy natin itong co-op na to. Kasi di ba marami namatay sa Yolanda. Nakita mo doon, even mayaman, mahirap, talagang winash out sila doon. So how can we help?
Nung pinanonood ko yung Yolanda, nakita ko yung Manicani Island. Wow, solid, di ba? Parang sinagot ang dasal ko. 3,000 people under one church, they survive. So kinausap ko ngayon itong mga tao ng Quick and Fast.
So sabi namin, let's open this cooperative.
Dito sa Quick and Fast, siguro started na mag-ipon.
Makakabuo ba tayo ng isang restaurant ng 100,000 lang? Sama-samang pera. It's very, very possible.
Kumbaga meron na kaming ipon, medyo malaki-laki na, pinagsama-sama namin.
Naglabasan ng pera, inabot kami ng 2 million. Nakabuo ako ng isang co-op.
Ngayon, sabi ni BF, meron naman tayong ganitong pera. Instead na kami lang makikinabang, why not share it to others? So, eto na yung QFCC. Parang baby namin yan eh. Kasi lahat kami involved dito.
I gather all the papers, all the legal papers regarding the government and the requirement and everything is finished already. That's why now the Quick and Fast Cooperative can operate directly without any hassle.
Tapos December 18, niregister namin. February 8, nag-soft opening na. Now, may 300 plus na kaming member.
So ito kasi, hybrid na co-op to. Kasi ang bumuo dito, mga CPA, we have attorney, we have director from the bank.
We have Rotarians, lawyers, we have the spiritual community. May priest kami.
This is not just a simple corporation, but this is a corporation called in the spirit of faith. So we don't just talk about money here. We talk about treasure more than money. Cooperative is always born out of a beautiful relationship. If you love the person, you will love the person and you will help the person. So I see cooperative as not just for myself, but on how can I also help the other people.
Yung cooperative na to is, siya, by invitation siya. Once na in-invite ka, mahal ka ng taong mag-invite sa'yo kasi hindi naman pwedeng lahat ini-invite mo na lang.
Siyempre yung mga friends natin, families, na gusto rin natin na maging maayos, ini-invite namin. Nakita naman nila yung vision, mission, and the advocacy of the cooperative. Sumama sila sa amin.
When it comes to integrity and credibility, that is why this is per invitation. The first that we want to invite is our family, our loved ones, the friends of our loved ones. So, credibility-wise, they know who we are.
Kaya ako sumali dito sa co-op para mag-save po, para sa kinabukasan ko po. At saka kung sakali, limbawa bilang ako dalaga, tapos wala akong ibang masahan, at least for future, meron po akong makukuha or maaasahang pera.
We teach financial habits to people, but also yung dinedevelop namin yung culture na holistic, including na yung how you deal with your co-members, and then pumapasok na rin din sa amin unti-unti yung spiritual side. Ang tawag namin dito is not anymore a company, but it's a spiritual family.
Ang ginagawa lang naman namin, we treat them as family. So how do you treat by your family? Of course, unlimited.
Yung isang nakikita ko sa co-op na to is yung helping hand. Na even doon sa pinakamaliit na bagay, malaki na para dun sa miyembro if ever may nangyari dun sa miyembro or nagkasakit yung miyembro.
Yung parang gusto ko lang makahanap ng work na nag-enjoy ako, nag-work ako, pero nakakatulong ako. And then, biglang inopen ni BM yung cooperative. Solve na ako.
Kumbaga meron tayong isang business, no? Na yung business natin, tayo rin yung customers, no? Tapos yung business natin, kapag kumita, tayo rin yung makikinabang. So basically, iyan ang Quick and Fast Credit Cooperative.
Pag tumingin ka sa isang bagay, dapat positive ang tingin mo. Dapat ang vision mo maganda para mangyayari yung maganda.
Quick and Fast Credit Cooperative, we just registered last year, no? So, credit pa lang siya, no? But under CDA, legality, after 2 years, we can convert from credit cooperative to multi-purpose. So, yung multi-purpose, mas marami tayong matutulungan. Pero syempre, 2 years from now, pine-prepare na namin.
Natutuwa lang ako kasi talagang nang dumating ako nag-join ako sa Quick and Fast, malaking pagbabago talaga yung naramdaman ko sa buhay ko.
Napaka-transparent po ang KFCC Co-op.
Pagka sumali po kayo sa cooperative, pagka nakakakuha po ng dividend, yung 30% po na napupunta sa mga in-kind po, yung 30%. So makakatulong po tayo, hindi lang para sa sarili natin, sa ibang tao rin.
I saw something beautiful here. All I need is to share. But in sharing, you need to invest. Because life is all about investment.
It's one way of giving back. Kung ano, kasi blessed kami, so kailangan namin maging blessing din sa iba.
If you'll join today, if you'll start today, then you can paint a brighter future.
All you want is for your future, select the best.
Yun yung mission natin, purpose natin in this life na magmahal ka, hindi lang pamilya mo. Kasi yung sa pamilya, sabi nga ni Mel, responsibility talaga yan eh. Pero yung magmahal ka sa iba na hindi mo kaano-ano, yun yung advocacy na magandang legacy.
This is more of a legacy. This is more of a commitment. I really ask for this. Tsaka ang point ko doon is, life is just trusting. Bakit? Pag masasakay ka ng taxi, ng jeep, tinatanong mo ba kung may lisensya yung driver? Ba't ka sumasakay? Simple. Pagkakain ka ba sa restaurant, tinatanong mo ba kung may lason yun? Hindi, di ba? When you ask and you pray, you just need to have the faith. Then you work. Ganun lang. Simple lang.